Well, I probably don't have to tell you that gardening here in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states means that we're coping a lot of the time with the vagrancies of the weather. And when it comes to growing evergreen azaleas, we are looking for special varieties that are able to cope with our cold winters and yet be able to cope with the warm, humid summers. Some would say hot summers. Well, anyway, when it comes to growing varieties that perform well under these sort of local conditions, it's very hard to beat the Girard varieties. And this particular one is called Girard's Crimson. As you see, it produces these very large, bright red flowers on compact evergreen plants that get to about 2 to 3 foot high and spread out to be a little wider. What's neat about this variety is that it was bred by Peter Girard in Geneva, Ohio. Now, the Girard Nurseries have been growing azaleas since 1946, and over 40 years of breeding, Peter managed to perfect varieties that achieve all of the things that I just mentioned, as well as having really bright, well-saturated colors and very pretty evergreen foliage. These are able to cope with our demanding situations, and therefore it is really good to be able to start off with a really good, strong growing and yet very compact and attractive plant like this with these really very large and very bright flowers. So if you're looking for a very nice top performing evergreen azalea that you can grow in a zone 5 and warmer, then you want to look for this beautiful variety that's called Azalea Girard's Crimson.